Yeah. Shrimp returned 110% today. Not bad. I hope you guys are enjoying having a communal savings account. So futures kind of bounce back into close a little bit. We don't have a reversal here yet, but we might see one tomorrow. There's a shitload of puts on the chain for tomorrow, all the way down to 49.25. So we may see a pullback even further. Ugh, gross. We may see a pullback even further tomorrow. Maybe like the 49.60 test before reversing back higher. But I do think we'll see some kind of reversal prior to the Nvidia earnings. Either tomorrow we blow through 85 and the put positioning breaks down, squeezes off, or we fall into the puts and they break down. Same effect though. I still don't think we're like heading down yet this week, although today was pretty bearish. I think NQ down 76 BPS. Oil recovered a little bit into the end of the day. Not quite at its intraday lows, but still took a pretty massive hit, down 159 BPS. The 10, 20, and 30 year kind of recovered into the back half of the day with a small bounce in the dollar. Those are still trending up though. Partially due to pressure from the yuan, which, is back at 720 after China cut rates on their 5 year lending facility last night. We may continue to see some like FX market action from China due to that as they seek to stabilize the yuan against the dollar, but USD JPY came down a little bit back below 150 today. So probably seeing some Ministry of Finance action for the yen as well. Core 1 and 3 month both up today. So a little breakdown in correlation. Not a ton. We're definitely very much still at the levels we were at before, but we do see a pretty significant increase, and not only is the increase significant, but it's kind of staying. Well, forward returns on vol convexity are staying roughly near positive, which is definitely putting pressure on volatility. This alone might force puts to de-risk. If this continues to pressure to a positive rate of return, we could see significant de-risking in like short tail positions. So we'll keep an eye on that, obviously. Carry trade's still getting ramped up. Move, I don't think is updated yet. Skew, I don't think is updated yet. Okay, so yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow, I mean, I would say depending on how futures fare tonight, and I don't think there's a lot of data. We've got an ECB non-policy meeting, 5 year gilt, 10 year bond. Tomorrow's Wednesday, right? Oh yeah, it's because it's a short week. Okay, so we do have data tomorrow morning. We have the mortgage index stuff. We have Redbook. We're gonna get EU consumer confidence flash. That probably won't matter a lot, but we do have a 20-year FRN auction, the floating rate note at 11:30. We have a Bowman speech at 1 o'clock, 20-year bond auction at 1 p.m., and the FOMC minutes at 2. So a decent amount of data in the intraday. Tonight we have Japanese balance of trade. That could be important depending on how it comes in. I know expectations are for export and imports to both fall. They are in a recession. Balance of trade should be up. 52-week note came in 4.695. Ooh, 4.7. Interesting. That's 2 rate cuts almost. All right. So yeah, some data tomorrow once the day gets kicked off, but overnight not a lot to influence prices. So we'll see how the mortgage index comes in the pre-market. I would say housing hasn't looked very good. I wouldn't be surprised if mortgage rates are up, applications and refinances are down. Probably the purchase index as well. So we may see like home builders take a bit of a hit in the morning. That could have some effect. Downside positioning is pretty strong though. So probably want to see futures hold on to 49.81 if we're going to have a bullish open tomorrow. If we lose that in the pre-market, I would say that we're probably going to move to the bottom of that put positioning before finding a recovery. So either 49.50 or 49.25. So we'll keep a sharp eye on futures overnight, and I'll update you guys later once I have a better look at options positioning. Thank you so much for tuning in. You guys have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.